Hey guys, Doug B here. Welcome to Preset of the Week, where I highlight either one of the factory presets or presets created by third-party creators. This week we're going to take a look at another factory preset. So go ahead and open up your Axe FX3 to preset number 30, Wreckers. All right, let's listen to a little sample. This time I took a more random approach to finding a preset to review because I wanted to take my own biases out of the decision. So I googled random number generator, plugged in 0 as the minimum and 511 as the max. 30 was the result, so 30 it is. And hey, what a sweet preset it is. Hard to go wrong when you're using the Wrecker amps as your starting point. As I mentioned in a prior video, the Wrecker models are based on the Trainwreck amps originally handmade by Ken Fisher, who died from complications due to chronic illness in 2006. John Mark, who was Ken's longtime friend and co-builder, decided to continue building amps under the Trainwreck name. Production of Trainwreck amps resumed in 2009 with permission from Fisher's family. They are still made in Ken's workshop using his exact specifications. Original Fisher-built Trainwreck amps are known to fetch $25,000 and up. Now this preset uses 3 different amp types, but they're based on 2 amps, the Trainwreck Rocket and the Trainwreck Liverpool. The Rocket is lower gain and more AC30-ish. As Ken Fisher would say, the Rocket is what an AC30 would sound like if it died and went to heaven. The Liverpool has been described as being in, the same neighborhood as the Rocker, but still different and with a lot more gain. Now let's look under the hood of this preset. It has 8 scenes: Rocket, more Rocket, Liverpool Bright, Liverpool, Liverpool Lead, Flange Lead, Rocket Dry, and LP Bright Dry, which of course is Liverpool Bright Dry. Now besides the in and out blocks, it uses 11 blocks: comp, wah, phaser, drive, amp, cab, pitch, chorus, delay, flange, and reverb. The comp block uses the pedal compressor 1 in channel A. It's not active in any scene but can still be used via foot switch. The wah block uses the Clyde type in channel A. Like most of the first 50 factory presets, it's controlled by the external 1 modifier, which is usually connected to expression pedal number 1. The phaser block uses the classic vibe type in channel A. Like the comp block, it's not active in any scene but can still be used via foot switch. The drive block uses the T808 OD in channel A, and it's active in scenes 5 and 6. Now the amp block is the one that does all the heavy lifting in this one. It's using the Wrecker Rocket in channel A and is used in scenes 1 and 7. It also uses the Rocket with slightly different settings in channel B, and that's used in scene 2. The Wrecker Liverpool is in channel C and is used in scene 4. The Wrecker Liverpool Bright is in channel D and is used in scenes 3, 5, 6, and 8. The cab block is using Legacy number 148, a 4x12 Marshall cabinet. It's active in all 8 scenes. The pitch block uses the quad detune type in channel A. Now like the comp and phaser blocks, it's not active in any scene, but can still be used via foot switch. The chorus uses the 80s type in channel A, and it's active in scene 5. The delay block uses the digital stereo type in channel A, and it's used in scenes 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 8. It also uses the digital stereo type in channel B with higher mix value, and is used in scenes 5 and 6. The flange block uses the BBF2 type in channel A, and is active in scene 6. The reverb block uses the Recording Studio C type in channel A, and is used in scenes 1 through 5. I put together a little song, and I'll play something from each scene and list the name on screen. So there you have it, guys. Wreckers. You can scratch that itch for those expensive amps and you will not have to break your piggy bank at all. So go out there and get wrecked. Seriously, give it a try. Let me know what you think about this preset. And if you got any other presets you'd like me to demonstrate. All right, guys, this Friday we're going to talk about setting up a whammy pedal by special request. Now, you don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, see you then.